Introducing the newly redesigned reversible dishwasher magnet. With our magnet, there is no more guessing. Now the rest of the household can know whether the dishes are clean or dirty. We also include an adhesive metal plate in case your dishwasher is not magnetic. Just peel and stick the plate on your dishwasher. Then place the magnet on the plate. It's that simple. Our magnet is the perfect size and can be seen from across the kitchen. Unlike others that use a cheap paper material, we instead use a durable PVC coating which never creases or peels. The magnet is soft to the touch and has a glossy shine. It's easy to use and flip with one hand. The magnet makes a great addition to any kitchen, so don't wait. Order yours now.